If pop-ups are distracting you while browsing in Firefox, the good news is that you can turn on Firefox's built-in pop-up blocker in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to block pop-ups in Firefox so you can browse more smoothly and avoid annoying windows appearing out of nowhere. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also called the menu button. Click that menu icon to open Firefox's main application menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Firefox's settings page, where you can control your privacy, security, permissions, and browser behavior. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Permissions section. This is where Firefox manages things like camera access, location access, notifications, and pop-up settings. In this area, look for the option labeled Block Pop-up Windows. This is Firefox's built-in feature for stopping most unwanted pop-up windows before they appear. Make sure the checkbox next to Block Pop-up Windows is checked. If it's already enabled, then Firefox is already blocking pop-ups for you. If it's not checked, click it once to turn it on. As soon as this setting is enabled, Firefox will automatically block most pop-up windows while you browse websites. That means fewer interruptions, fewer annoying ads, and a cleaner browsing experience overall. If a website needs to open a pop-up for something important, Firefox may still show a small blocked pop-up notice near the address bar, so you can choose whether to allow it or keep it blocked. That gives you a nice balance between convenience and control. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled the pop-up blocker in Firefox and taken a simple step toward a smoother, less distracting browsing experience. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.